Here is just a quick tour of the SpringHill Suites by Marriott at Carowinds in Charlotte, North Carolina. This is just across the street from the amusement park. Very convenient stay for guests at the park. So the parking lot is right back there. You have to check in first to enter the parking lot, I believe. And then over here is the entrance. Check-in area right there. There's a bar over there as well as the breakfast area right here. And then this way is the fitness center right here, as well as a door to the pool and the patio. Unfortunately, the pool is not open today, but it does look like there are people enjoying the patio. And here's a look at the pool area. Unfortunately, the swimming pool is closed right now. I assume it's closed until like Memorial Day weekend. It is the beginning of May right now, but here is a look at the pool area. It's not the biggest pool, but still looks nice. Here's a look at the patio area next to the pool. There's a little patio out here next to the pool. Great view of Carowinds across the street. Now down the hallway I go to my room at the very end of the hallway. It's quite a walk from the elevator on the other end of the hallway. Oh, it's a heavy door. And here's just a quick tour of my room at SpringHill Suites at Carowinds. Here's the door right behind me. You walk in through here, and first you end up right here. You have some little bottles of water, some plastic cups, a coffee maker. You could put ice in there. Coffee lids right here. And then over here is the couch. Big painting, a lamp. Little coffee table right here, and then a little office area, a desk with a nice office chair, little office lamp. There we go. Here's the little desk. Then over here is the TV. This TV actually swings out because you can't really see it that well from the couch or from the beds, but the TV does swing out so you can see it a little bit better. Let's see if I can get it. So it swings out. Is that as far as it goes? No, it goes a little bit further. So it swings out so you can see it a little bit better from the beds. 2 queen beds right here. You can see the TV okay from the beds, not the best. Then over here is the half bath with the toilet. Sliding door, very fancy, with the lock at the bottom. Some kind of odd mirror setup right here. You have to stand kind of to the side to see into the mirror. Here I am, hello. 2 mirrors, but if you stand facing the sink, you can't really see yourself. So 1 sink right here, some hand soap, and a little trash can down there. Then if we walk back towards the beds, you have I think this is a closet right here. A really big closet too. Got some extra sheets up here for the beds, some hangers right here, an ironing board, and an iron. Normally there's a safe in here, but I don't see a safe in this closet. And then as we walk this way, there's another mirror by the beds. Here I am again, second appearance, hello. And then out behind this window, this is the window, this is the view from the room. And as you can see, it is a fantastic view. You can see Carowinds over there, you can see Thunder Striker, you can see Fury 325, you can see Windseeker, really nice view. You can also see the parking lot, but the view of Carowinds really makes it. Look at that. Now, as I step away from the window, we have the shower, second bathroom. There is a much nicer sink here. Huge mirror, much nicer mirror than the other bathroom. Second sink with some hand soap. There's makeup remover, and this is hand lotion. Then a couple little hand towels. Then here's the shower. There is shampoo, conditioner, and body wash in these bottles. It looks like a pretty nice shower too. The shower head is very high off the ground. My head level is about right here, and that's where the shower head is. I am 6'4" for reference, so this is like 7 feet at least off the ground. That is great. Great news for me. And once again, we have a sliding door. I love sliding doors. Look at that. Very cool. We also have some towels down here, and a trash can, and some tissues. There is an AC unit down here underneath the window. I don't think it's on right now. This unit is controlled by the wall-mounted thermostat. Okay. Where is the wall-mounted thermostat? Okay, so the thermostat is actually all the way over here by the door. Looks like, yes, it is on right now. And then over here on the nightstand, of course you have the phone, you have a little notepad with a pen, alarm clock, and 2 USB ports right here, and 2 power outlets right here, along with a little lamp above you. There's also a reading lamp above the beds. Flip the switch, light shines right above the pillows. Good for reading. Overall, it's a really nice room, and you cannot beat that view of Carowinds right out the window. It is a fantastic view. That is so cool. If any of you are coaster enthusiasts, or you just love Carowinds, you gotta stay here, because it is... You can walk to Carowinds from here. It's right next to the parking lot. Super close to Carowinds, and that view out of that window. Look at that. It is... You can't beat that view. It is so cool. And you can just walk to Carowinds in the morning. Highly recommend this hotel. I am right by the stairs and the elevator right now, and if you just look outside this window, you get a fantastic view of Carowinds. Look at that. Fury 325's drop. You can see all the rides basically. Incredible view.